Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay, let's take a look again at the euro currency. We see that the price action on Friday was relatively tight after the solid plunge to the downside. Well, that's why it's a bit not too much that I could add on the daily time frame. We see the same ABCD pattern. Well, on Friday we said that by this plunge to the downside, many traders could think that it's obviously the bearish situation since market has hit weekly pivot resistance, turns to the downside, and has engulfed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 previous trading sessions by this close price. Well, in general, price action is really bearish since market also has closed below the weekly pivot point, below the monthly pivot point of the previous week, and has broken this support line of this parallel channel on the daily time frame. But, well, I do not want to argue with these facts since they are obvious, but still I would like to share with you with the converse view on the market, because well, maybe probably this is really so that market is really significantly bearish, especially we'll take into consideration the weekly bearish trend, and probably this is true that market will proceed move to the downside and start move to the downside on the coming week. But recent price action on the intraday charts makes me think that this is not so simple, and although you do not see the bulls with this price action, they are still here, and the power of them still exists, but they couldn't be viewed by surfing view. It's very difficult to find their strength, but they still exist. So let's take a look first on the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, what we see almost the same picture as on Friday. Trend holds bearish, but market has found support around confluence support area. It's 125.60 area of confluence support on the 4-hour time frame. Although you can see that market has closed sometimes below this area, I suppose that this level hasn't been broken yet, since as Judd Napoli tells in his book, if market has some target of some extension slightly lower than the confluence support area or range support area, and market has pierced this level, this not always mean that this level has been broken, since market just gravitates to the target of this extension, and by hitting of that, market then returns back, and this level could be treated as valid. So this situation we have here, take a look at this pattern: A, B, C top, 100% extension of this target, stands slightly lower than its confluence support area, and after market has hit it, it returns right back and found support in this level. Also take a look by this price action, we also have the Gartley's 222 buy pattern. So this is initial swing, ABC retracement to the downside. Okay, so that price action in general tells me that still some chances of the further upward move still exist, and this really could happen. And from that perspective, that level will be extremely important for us on Monday, since this is the weekly pivot point, stands 126.12, and also that is relatively close to this trend line that has been broken by the market. So if on Monday market will move above this area and will return back above this trend support line, this could tell us that market is really could continue move further to the upside on the on the daily time frame, and really could continue move to this target of this ABCD pattern, this confluence resistance area, to that area that we have discussed during the previous couple of weeks. If this will be not the case and market will just retest this level and continue move to the downside, this will be some kind of the kiss goodbye of this trend line. This probably will mean that hopes of the bulls will become the phantasmal, and there are relatively low probability will be that market is really could rise later and continue move to the upside. So that level will be quite significant for us for the Monday. Well, taking a look on the 30-minute chart, here's also interesting price action. First of all, you can see that this move to the downside has been triggered by some kind of the head and shoulders pattern on the 30-minute chart. This is the 30-minute chart, by the way. And market already has reached its target from that pattern A, B, C top. 1618 extensions right here. So market has hit the target of the head and shoulders pattern right around the support. So that support on the 4-hour time frame is also the agreement area. On Friday we said that keep an eye on this price action after this thrust. This could appear some kind of the double repo pattern or butterfly or some reversal pattern. So you can see that butterfly has appeared. It better looks on the 15-minute chart, but even here you could see that this is a nice butterfly 127 extension of the 13-minute chart. And after that, market has turned in some sloppy price action. But take a look at this price action. Bears has pressed market down, bulls rise to the upside, then bears again. But at the end of the day, despite that 3 times bears have returned their positions down to the support area, bulls have found some power and move prices higher by the close of the day. This turns to broadening bottom pattern. Very often broadening bottom patterns becomes a reversal either short-term or long-term, but anyway this could trigger some continuation to the upside. And the possible target of the minimum target is, I suppose, our crucial level to watch for. This is weekly pivot point. Also that is confluence resistance on the hourly chart. On the 30-minute charts, 126.05, 126.29. It's right here. Well, what we could do on Monday. First of all, if you have entered long here by yesterday's price action as we have suggested, then you probably could wait reaching of that area. Then you could tidy your stop or take a profit. If you flat now and do not have any position, then probably for you is to wait the open on a Monday and reaching of that level. So this needless to say that if market will start move right down and will break this consolidation, break this support area on the 4-hour time frame, on the 4-hour time frame will break this area, continue move to the downside. Well, obviously this probably will be the downward continuation, real continuation of the long-term trend on the weekly time frame. But if market will reach this area, then we should keep a closer eye on it. If market will fail here and turn to the downside again, this probably will be the indication that downward development is more probable. But if market will break this level to the upside and will close above weekly pivot point and above this trend line, will return above this trend line again, well, in that case we probably will have to search for the possibility to enter on the long side of the market with the hope that market will continue upward move in the nearest term. That is our current view on the market. Be careful, watch on the crucial level for us in an area around 126, 126.12, and this area of combination of the weekly pivot point and support trend line. Control your risk and put your trigger only when you will get significant patterns and the situation will become clear for us.